Hello children, how are you? Welcome back to Max class. Let us start today's session. Children, this is page number 35 in your Max textbook. Okay? So read the heading children. Changing tens into hundreds. Today we are going to learn how to change tens into hundreds. Okay children? Already they given one example here. We'll observe this example now. Okay? Now 50 plus 50 we should add. Okay, first when we are doing addition, always we should start doing addition with ones column digits only. Yes sir, no, so many times I said. So here first we have to add. So is there any value? 0 0, so we are getting 0, no value. So next we have to add tens column. Okay, tens column, see, 5 plus 5, 5 in your mind, 5 is in your hand. 5 after, count children, 6 7 8 9 10. So in tens column, what is the answer we get? 10. So in tens column, how many tens are there? 10 tens are there. 10 tens is 100. Yes or no? 10, we get the answer 10. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 tens is equal to 100. Yes or no? Here see, observe here, 0 plus 0 0. 5 plus 5, 10. Okay, 10. 10 is equal to 100. So we are writing 1 into hundreds column, 0 into tens column. We are writing 1 into hundreds column, 0 into tens column. I will explain you clearly. Okay children? Children, I'll explain you clearly. I'll give you an example. Okay, listen carefully children. First I'm writing hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, 64 plus 62, this is addition symbol. When we are doing addition, don't forget to keep this symbol. Okay children, now we have to add. Okay, when we are doing addition, when we are doing addition, we always start doing addition with ones place digits only. So we should add ones place digits first. Okay, so which number is bigger number? 4. You should keep 4 is in your mind, 2 is in your hand. 4 after, 5 6, so I'm writing 6 here. Next we have to add tens column digits. Okay, yes or no? Next step we have to add tens column digits. So here both numbers are equal. So one number we are keeping in our mind, one number we are keeping in our hand. So open 6, keep 6 in your mind, 6 in your hand. Open 6 fingers children. 6 after, 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 6 plus 6, 12. Okay, in tens column, how many tens are there? 12 tens are there, because 6 plus 6, 12. 6 plus 6, 12. So 12 tens are there. In, if we add 6 plus 6, 12 we are getting. Yes or no? 6 plus 6, 12. Okay, in 12 tens, this is tens column now. So how many tens are there? 12 tens are there. 12 tens are is equal to 12 tens are 120. Okay, 120 is equal to, in 120 how many hundreds are there? How many tens are there? In 120, 100 is there plus 2 tens are there. 2 tens are equal to 20 na. So in 120, 100 is there, 2 tens are there. 12 tens is equal to 100 plus 2 tens. 12 tens is equal to 100 plus 2 tens. So in 12 tens, how many hundreds are there? How many ones are there? In 12 tens, 100 is there, 2 tens are there. Listen carefully, don't get confusion. I'll explain you clearly. Listen carefully. First we are adding ones column. Next we are adding tens column. 6 plus 6, we get the answer 12. This is 12 tens column. How many tens we are getting? 12 tens we are getting children. 12 tens. 12 tens are equal to 120. 12 tens are 120. Okay, when 120, how many hundreds are there? How many tens are there? In 120, 100 is there, 2 tens are there. In 120, 100 is there, 2 tens are there. That's why. So in 120, so in 12 tens, how many hundreds are there? 100 is there, 2 tens are there. But I think it is difficult for you to understand, because you are a small kid now. But try, you should try to learn. This is minimum basic. But I want to give you one tip, because you are small kids, you can't understand this thing, I think. That's why I'm giving one tip for you. Observe this tip, children. Okay, so here we're getting 6 plus 6, 12. So I'm writing 12 here. Okay, next, see, I'm keeping the lines like this, 12. I want to say one thing. uh, Always right side digit, you know, the right side, always right side digit will be under, will be under tens column. Okay, children, again I want to say this is simple tip. Should practice this, is you should learn this, because this is very difficult for you to understand because you are small kids. But if you want to learn, it's very good. But it's a simple tip I'm saying to you. Okay, always right side digit will be under tens column. Say with me, always right side digit, right side digit will be under tens column. Okay, next one. So next, always left side digit, always left side digit will be, will go up for carry over, or will be under hundreds column. Okay, understand this tip, children. This is simple to practice this one. Right side, left side, all the time right side digit will be under tens column. Okay, always left side digit will go up for carry over, or will be under hundreds column. Okay, this is a simple tip. So I'm writing now 2 into 2 into tens column. Writing, I said na, right side digit will be under tens column. So this right side will be under tens column na, so that's why I'm writing 2 into under tens column. Next, so now I'm writing 1 into hundreds column. I said na, all that always left side digit will go up for carry over, or will be under hundreds column. This is a simple tip. Practice this tip, children. Okay, children, I will explain you another example here. See this, observe, listen carefully. Okay, hundreds, tens, ones I'm writing 84, 81. This is addition symbol. I'm keeping like this lines. Next, what is the first step, children? When we are doing addition, we always start doing addition with ones place digits only. Yes or no? So every time I'm saying so. Which number is bigger number? 4. 4 you should keep in your mind. 1 you should keep in your hand. So 4 after 5. That's why I'm writing 5 here. Okay, children. Next, we should add tens column digits. We should add tens column digits. So both numbers are same only now. That's why I'm keeping one number 8 in your mind, 8 in your hand. Open 8 fingers, children. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. So I'm getting the answer 16. So can I write 16 here? No, it's not possible. We can't write two digits at one place. So 16. But where I have to write 6, where I have to write 1. So 16. 6. I want to say always right side digit. This is right side digit will be under, right side digit will be under tens column. Again I'm saying, always keep this tip in your mind. Always right side digit will be under tens column. Okay, next, always left side digit will be under hundreds column, or always left hand side digit will go up for carrying. Left side digit will go up for carrying. So now I'm writing 6 into under tens column. 6 I'm writing into under tens column. Next I'm writing 1 into under hundreds column. Okay, children. So here nothing is there to add. So I'm bringing down that 1 into down here like this. So this is the answer 165. This is a simple tip. You can use this tip. Okay, don't get confusion. Always right side digit will come under tens column, left side digit will come under hundreds column, like this. Okay, children, I want to explain another sum here. See, this is 100 tens 1, 63 plus 45 we should add. So when we are doing addition, as usual, ones place digits first we should add. So which number is bigger number? 5. 5 is in your mind, 3 is in your hand. 5 after 6, 7, 8. Okay, 5 after 6, 7, 8. Next we have to add tens column digits. Okay, 6 plus 4, which number is bigger number? 6. So 6 you should keep in your mind, 4 in your hand. Open 4 fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. So where I have to write 0, where I have to write 1. So I am writing 10 like this. See, always first you should observe, always right side digit. I said so many times this. Always right side digit will come under tens column, will come under tens column. Always left side digit will be under hundreds column. Okay, always left side digit will become under hundreds column, or left side digit will go up for carrying. Okay, left side digit will go up for carrying. This is the tip. Again, right side number under tens column, left side number, left side digit under hundreds column. Okay, so I'm writing now 0 into under tens column. Okay, I'm writing 0 under tens column. I'm writing 1 into hundreds column. See, in this box I'm writing. Okay, children, did you understand? Left side right side digit under tens column, left side digit under hundreds column. Yes or no? Right side digit 0 na, 0 I'm writing under tens column. Left side digit 1 na, that's I'm writing, that is under hundreds column. Okay, so now is there anything here to add? Nothing. So I'm bringing down that one. Children, another example we'll do now here. See, 100 tens 1, we should add 72 plus 85. Okay, so we should add ones column digits first now. Which number is bigger number? 5. 5 is in your mind, 2 is in your hand. 5 after 6, 7. Next tens column digits we should add. Yes or no? Tens column digits. So 7, 8. Which number is bigger number? 8. So you should keep 8 is in your mind, 7 is in your hand. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. Get the answer? 15. Do I write 15 here? No, I can't write. But where I have to write 5? Where I have to write 1? So 15, like this I'm writing 15. Always right side digit, always right side digit will come under tens column. Always right side digit will come under tens column. Left side digit will come under hundreds column, or will go for carry over. Okay, simple tip. Right side number digit will go under tens column, left side digit will go under hundreds column. Right side digit will go under tens column, left side digit will go under hundreds column, or will be go for carry over. Okay, children, so I'm writing now 5 into under tens column. This is left side digit now, so I'm writing 5 here under tens column. Now I'm writing 1 into under hundreds column, because this is left side digit now. So here nothing is there, so I'm nothing is there to add, that's why I'm bringing down this one here like this. Okay, children, I want to say another example here. See, this is, we should add 69 plus 50. Okay, 9 plus 0. So first we have to add ones column digits now. If we add any number to 0, 0 to any number, the result is the number itself. Yes or no? I said so many times, if we add any number to 0, we'll get the same number. Yes or no? Next we should add tens column digits. Which number is bigger number? 6. So should keep 6 in your mind, 5 is in your hand. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. So 11 I'm keeping like this. So always left right side digit right side digit will go under tens column. Okay, left side digit will go under hundreds column or will go for carry over. Yes or no? Right side digit will go under tens column, left side digit will go under hundreds column. So I'm writing 1 into hundreds tens column. Next one I'm writing here into hundreds column. So did you understand, children? Right side digit under tens column, left side digit under hundreds column. Okay, so here nothing is there to add, that's why I'm bringing down this one here like this. So this is the answer. Okay, children, this is today's assignment. Do it carefully. Thank you, children.